So let's talk about some suitable substitutes. What if we don't have a cotton ball? What could we use instead? Well, one of my favorite things I like to use, especially with my high school students, are tampons. Tampons are great fire starters because they're made of cotton. So that's a great substitute. Another substitute, but I do not like it nearly as well, is dryer lint. Dryer lint is not nearly as effective as a cotton ball simply because dryer lint has synthetic materials in it along with cotton. So this is going to have a tendency to melt. But because there is some cotton in it, it is better than nothing. Once again, cotton ball is our first choice. So what can we use if we do not have any petroleum jelly? Some great substitutes for petroleum jelly are any kind of lip therapy, Carmex type product, chapsticks. And another great one is found in most medical kits is Neosporin or some Neosporin equivalent. Any material that has petroleum jelly in it, like these things do here, will be a good substitute for petroleum jelly. So what if we're missing a piece of aluminum foil? Well, one place I will look to find substitutes for regular aluminum foil is freshness seals, like this one here on a jar of peanut butter. Mixed nuts, peanuts, all those types of things also have one of these freshness seals. These make a great alternative to your normal aluminum foil.